Hello guys, hope you will be fine. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Alpha Science Academy. Our today's topic is, what are black holes? Let's start. Welcome to the amazing world of black holes. Black holes were first predicted by scientists in 1916 and are formed when massive stars reach the end of their lives and collapse in on themselves. They're so heavy and compact that not even light can escape their gravitational pull. Matter that falls into a black hole can create an accretion disk, a dense ring of gas and dust that orbits the black hole. This disk gets incredibly hot due to friction and pressure, reaching millions of degrees. Black holes can have a profound impact on their surroundings because of their strong gravity. They can even bend space and time, and affect nearby stars and planets. On February 11, 2016, scientists made a historic discovery when they detected gravitational waves from merging black holes for the first time. This confirmed Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, which he proposed in 1915. On April 10, 2019, the first ever direct image of a black hole was taken by a team of over 200 scientists from all over the world. This gave us a glimpse into the mysterious event horizon and solidified our understanding of black holes. Black holes come in all shapes and sizes, from small ones with the mass of a star, to massive ones at the center of galaxies. Some of these giant black holes are billions of times heavier than our Sun. The study of black holes continues, with new discoveries being made all the time. Who knows what other amazing secrets these fascinating objects hold? The universe is still full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. That's it for today. For more such videos, subscribe our channel. Stay blessed, stay happy, goodbye.